Alrighty guys, welcome back to Kawasaki Prairie fixing project part 2. Today we're going to be changing the oil real quick in the engine and also the rear end, and then I'd like to take this thing out and do some test riding on it. See how it runs, get some gas run through the thing, and yeah, see if there's anything else I need to fix on it. So yeah, let's get to it and change the oil. Alrighty, so we made it out to Mexico at the undisclosed location known as the Offroad Effex testing facility. And yeah, let's try this thing out. Pretty much this is just an excuse for me to have fun, but also I genuinely think that clutch noise will go away once those parts get moving up against each other a little bit. So I'm guessing, since they've just been sitting for so long, they've got some corrosion on them or rust or something like that. It'd also be good to get the brakes braking to get all the rust off them and just see how it runs. Make sure it doesn't smoke or anything. I don't know how to do this without... This feels like a bad idea for some reason. I don't know what that sound is. Well, we just appreciate that this thing started with no choke whatsoever. And it's like, well, it's kind of warm out. It's like 50 degrees. Yeah, see, there's just a lot of jingling going on. Oh, there's a doe. Run, little doe. Wow, those things can jump. Four-wheeling. I really want to go through there, but I don't want to rut it all up. So, oh well, this was foolish. Wow. It's a little muddy out. Interesting. Yeah, four-wheelers, I just feel like they're very easy to just, yeah, I'm safe, I can go fast, and then you friggin' like flip over and die. Do I want to go up here? The trail's not very wide. Interesting. Oh well, that's not good. Ugh. Uh-oh. Hello? See, I think this gas cap is being dumb and not letting air vent through it. So if I take the cap off, watch, now it's going to start and run. Uh-oh. Please don't die all the way out here. That would be very bad. Oh gosh. Oh, no. Okay, that's literally full throttle. Why? Okay, hopefully that's it running out of gas. Yes. So, now I need to turn the gas back on and get back to the truck before I get stranded out here, because there's no friggin' way I'm pushing this thing back up that hill. I should have stayed near the truck. I don't know why I It's like, yeah, let's go. Alright, we'll give it a little bit of gas, back off. Things just went south very quickly. I didn't even bring tools out here. What am I was hoping I don't foul a freaking plug. The choke isn't like stuck on, is it? It can't be, because the cable's moving. This was a foolish idea. Dang! And it's starting to rain. No! She lights, we're gonna friggin' send it out of here. I just need a little more! Ha ha ha! We're moving! Okay, well we made it like 50 feet. Alright. This is progress. So basically, if you don't understand what I'm doing here, the carburetor, I think the float is stuck open, so it's running stupidly rich. And so what I'm doing is I'm turning off the gas. So once the gas is burned up and it gets to a certain level in the float bowl where it's proper, where it's at the proper level, and that's where it runs well enough to make me move. It's like only a window of time because it's not long before it burns up all of the gas. And then we're stuck here again. So I'm thinking I'm just gonna have to keep doing that until I'm free, unless I want to walk all the way back to the truck. But I feel like if I bring the truck down here, the truck will get stuck. Let me try this one more time. Ha 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 ha! I don't know how we're still running because the gas is off, but whoa, we're going! Oh, I jinxed it. Keep her going, keep going. I'll give you just a little bit of throttle. No! Alright, that's wide open right there. I think we got it, boys. I think we're going. Well, we are going, obviously. I think we're free. Oh gosh. Keep her pinned! Ah! Oh no. Keep her going, no! No! There's no way I'm getting this four-wheeler up that hill, by hand at least. And if I get the truck over here and I get that stuck, then the day's gonna be even worse. Ah! Go! No! No! Keep going! Ah! I can't let off the gas or it's gonna flood out! Ah! Woo! Holy crap. And now it runs perfectly. What the frick, Todd? The suspended adventure. I guess I gotta fix the carburetor. That sounds like something that needs to happen. After that, yeah, yeah, luckily I've already got the parts on the way, because I knew it was doing this stutter at quarter throttle, but I didn't know it was going to get worse all of a sudden when I was like half a mile away from the truck down 3 hills. I think this is a video in and of itself, so yeah, truthfully I don't know what part 3 is going to be, but it's going to be, we're going to fix the carburetor and do some other stuff. Okay, that's it. Thanks for watching. Goodbye.